Sometimes when you feel horrible, the only thing you want is a hot shower. But if you're recovering from surgery, a shower is not always the option. Lisa Kreitz is a breast cancer survivor who went through a lot of emotional, medical, and challenging situations. And through all of it, she emerged not only a survivor, but an entrepreneur. Welcome.
Thank you for having me.
What a great idea. So tell us a little bit about yourself. You were diagnosed when?
I was diagnosed with breast cancer in May 2009. Within a month, I had undergone a double mastectomy. And a couple days after I'd gotten out of the hospital, I went to my doctor, of course, and said, when can I take a shower? I have drains coming out of my body, obviously. Right. He says, Lisa, you can't take a shower until the surgical drains are removed, which would be anywhere between 2 and 3 weeks. So I thought, that's not a problem. There's every kind of, medical product out there. I will just start searching for something to protect me. Nothing existed at all. I went to a couple people. Yes, that's such a lovely picture in the shower there. Sorry,
hey,
sorry, audience. I actually, again, did research. Nothing existed. I'd gone back to a couple of friends of mine who had gone through breast cancer. I said, what did you use to protect you? And they said, trash bags. I got in the shower for the next 2 to 3 weeks with a trash bag. And to be honest, every time I was in the shower, I was annoyed. I was like, women have been undergoing mastectomies in this country for 70 years. Why is there not a product? So I said, this is my focus. This is my cathartic product and project.
What a great diversion.
Oh, it's worked, I have to say.
Immersion.
Yes, absolutely. So I said, I want to help future breast cancer mastectomy patients so they can better recover than I did.
Absolutely.
So thus, we created the shower shirt. It's taken me a year. I've been working with manufacturers for the last year.
Here it is. Nat's showing it to us.
It took us 5 prototypes to get it finalized. Again, it's an antimicrobial, water-resistant product.
Because you have to worry about bacteria. I mean, there's so much stuff that you have to take into consideration. You couldn't just, roll it out.
Absolutely. From a clinical perspective, doctors say because it's a direct portal, these drains are a direct portal into the surgery site, that's why they can't get wet. There's bacteria in the water. So we had to do an antimicrobial. Of course, it's a water-resistant product. There's several components, but let me just go over the main. The drawstring is obviously a primary component. It has to be very tight around the neck. We can't let any water in. If a couple drops do go in, we have a microfiber on the inside that sucks the water right up. Of course, you come down. This is the work flap, the Velcro. You open it up. This is very important for the breast cancer patient. As I said,
little pouch to put it in?
Yes, absolutely. The drains are on the armpit. They go all the way down to the knees. So we created a Velcro strap to take up the slack and then put the pocket there.
You must have, every time you got to one place, okay, I think I figured it out. And then there was yet another challenge.
There was. I tell you, something that's really interesting, women's neck, the size of women's necks varies so much.
Right.
So that's why we ultimately had to almost do a universal size on the neck, even though we do have small, medium, large, extra large. But I have to tell you, the best component of this product, the slogan is, use it now, wear it later. Use it now for post-surgery purposes, wear it later to signify survivorship.
Awesome.
As you can tell, it is a cute, sporty type bolero jacket, and it has an unlimited shelf life.
And it works in the rain.
It works in the rain,
So
absolutely.
did you discover a whole lot of red tape when it came to trying to invent a medical product?
Absolutely, I did. Right now we have a patent pending on the product. It is considered a Class 1 medical device registered with the FDA. I had no idea what I was going to have to go through in the bureaucracy, per se, of getting a medical device to market. I'm working feverishly with Medicare and various insurance companies because I want full-fledged reimbursement for these women undergoing breast cancer.
Boy, you're really going for it, aren't you?
Procedures. Yes, I'm trying to.
And you have some national attention as well.
I do. I was actually on Lifetime Television. We taped the show a couple weeks ago, and it hit this last Wednesday. My focus over the last 14 months is I wanted this product on the shelves this month. October, of course, is National Breast Cancer Awareness Month.
And what about the American Cancer Society? Are they backing you up on this?
I'm very excited. Yes, absolutely. They told me last week that they are picking up the product. It will be online and also in their TLC retail catalog for breast cancer patients.
Okay, well, finally, we want to capture some of your enthusiasm and your positive, obviously, your positive attitude. And for the women out there that are facing surgery or, really are depressed about a diagnosis, how did you, besides the fact that you jumped into and put yourself into a project, is that what you recommend? What kind of, have you thought about what you would share about that journey?
I do. The comment that what doesn't kill us makes us stronger. I do believe that. I do believe that. I was very fortunate. My breast cancer was stage 1. It was non-aggressive. They caught it early. But for me, this was such a cathartic process. I was very healthy. I did not smoke. I had no family history. So when I was diagnosed, I almost did not even believe the doctor.
Yeah.
It really was. But I jumped into this. So I guess my advice, per se, to other breast cancer patients and or survivors, look at something, focus on something, because the glass is always half full versus half empty.
Get outside of yourself and look for a bigger picture like you did. Well, what a great idea. So thanks so much for joining us, Lisa Kreitz. And if you want to learn more about the shower shirt, you can go to our website at KPLR11.com.